Hey there, tech enthusiasts. The countdown has begun, as Apple announces the launch date for the much-awaited Apple Launch Event 2023. Hold on to your seats, because at this event, the spotlight will shine on the Apple iPhone 15 series. Let's take a sneak peek at the top 9 rumored features of the iPhone 15 series. 1. Dynamic Island, a notch evolution. The iPhone 15 series might introduce a new design called Dynamic Island. This is a replacement for the notch, which is the black area at the top of the screen containing various components. The Dynamic Island is more versatile, changing its shape and size to match what you're doing. For instance, when you're watching videos, it shrinks to blend with the screen, giving you a full view. When using Face ID, it expands to fit the necessary sensors and camera. 2. USBC Port, universal connection. There's a possibility that the iPhone 15 models will switch to using USB-C ports instead of Lightning ports. This transition would bring faster charging and quicker data transfers. Plus, USB-C is a standard used by many devices, so you'd have an easier time connecting your iPhone to various accessories and devices. 3. Curved edges, comfort meets style. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 15 series might feature curved edges, providing a more comfortable and ergonomic grip. This design change would not only feel better in your hand but also give the phones a sleek and modern appearance. 4. A 16 and a 17 Bionic Chips, powering performance. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus models could be powered by the A16 Bionic chip, while the Pro and Pro Max models might have the A17 Bionic chip. These chips are like the brains of the phone, affecting its speed and efficiency. With more cores, they offer better multitasking, faster app launches, and enhanced gaming experiences. 5. Enhanced camera system, picture perfect. The camera system of the iPhone 15 models is rumored to be upgraded. The main camera might boast a 48MP sensor, resulting in sharper details and more vibrant colors. The Pro and Pro Max models might feature a triple camera system, including a zoom lens for taking high-quality zoom-in photos. This optical zoom ensures better quality compared to digital zoom. 6. Adaptive refresh rate, super smooth display. If you're using the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max models, you might experience an OLED display with an adaptive refresh rate. This means the screen adjusts how often it updates based on what you're doing. This feature offers smoother animations when needed, like when scrolling or gaming, while preserving battery life when viewing static images. 7. Satellite connectivity, stay connected anywhere. There's talk that the iPhone 15 models might be able to connect to satellites. This feature could allow you to make calls and send messages even in areas where traditional cellular coverage is weak or non-existent. This could be especially helpful during emergencies or when you're in remote locations. 8. Touch ID, under display easy security. Rumors are swirling about the return of Touch ID, this time under the display. This would enable you to unlock your iPhone by placing your finger on the screen. It's a convenient and secure alternative to other unlocking methods. 9. Reverse wireless charging, power to share. The iPhone 15 models could potentially have reverse wireless charging, letting you use your phone's battery power to charge other devices wirelessly. Just place the accessory, like AirPods or another iPhone, on the back of your phone, and it might start charging them. Remember, these features are based on rumors, and we're eagerly awaiting Apple's event on September 12th to find out which of these exciting possibilities will become reality. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for all the latest updates.